Mac Tools ET82650 Multimeter Accessory Kit. Extend your multimeters capabilities. This kit offers interchangeable probes for a wide range of testing possibilities. The 4mm safety test leads are 43 inches long and include straight and 90-degree connections, and they provide a solid connection to different probes. The 4mm test probes have female 2mm tips, allowing you to move quickly between different points and convert banana leads back to normal test probes. The safety test probes with 4mm banana female test at the wire when there's no connector to check and pierces the insulation with a very small self-healing hole. Crocodile clips allow for hands-free use and plug into the end of the 4mm banana test leads. .040 long straight back probes allow testing on deeper connectors than standard probes. The slotted ring to female banana connectors easily slip behind a bolt or screw head for a secure ground connection and clamp into place and attach to test leads. Female banana connectors connect two leads together for extra length and can be used when smaller alligator clips are needed. Use male to female banana connectors when you need to adapt female to male 4mm or extend a probe. Use male banana alligator clips with a female to female adapter to connect to 4mm test leads and for hands-free use in confined spaces where crocodile clips are too large. The alligator extension test clip set includes a hand set of 6-inch insulated alligator clips. These connect to 4mm test leads for hard-to-reach areas such as under the dash. Each clip is insulated to help prevent unintentional contact, and a strong spring action keeps jaws in contact with the test point. The Mac Tools ET82650 Multimeter Accessory Kit. Mac Tools, great to work with.